farm now. 13 rye. Up at Charlie's wee house. Charlie's charcoal burners. Then we go on to the farm. And then over here, more nice green rice. And over here, all green. And then the water jugs to collect the fresh water. Over there, you can see a tank, and there's a pump on the end of that big box. It's a solar pump for giving us fresh drinking water. Okay. Inside the wee house. It's a small inside, it's only tiny, but alright for to sleep. It's to sit on a wee bed, 2 windows. Then you can look outside. And Charlie's toilet here. I've got another big building over here. And lots and lots of room to build a house after. But no noise at all. Look at that. Look at the chemtrails here, not one, just a nice sky. Mind you, it's cloudy today. I think it's going to rain again. Look at Charlie's bananas, How many banana trees? Okay, I'll take you down to the other part of the farm. Let's go out. Out the wee house. Then down the steps. Charlie can sleep here as well if he gets tired. Down we go. 1, 2 and 3. That's us down now. Then over here, got Charlie's bananas. All you can hear is the Thai music in the background. There's a wee house here. Water tanks. Toilet. Over here, I've got a wee outbuilding as well. You could make it into a small house, I suppose. A wee kitchen area. Here's the people doing plant the rice the traditional way over in the background. There you are, see? And Charlie's other wee sort of house. Could be a 1 bedroom. It's got a wee sort of end piece you could use for a kitchen. Then over here you can build another small house over here. Toilet. Place to cook. And two water tanks. More banana. That's a real Thailand view. Look at the sky here, not a chemtrail. Not a single car, not a single bus, not a single aeroplane. Just quiet. The bananas, Charlie's bananas. Here. Let's go inside the farm. That's the front elevation of the small brick house. What a place to live, Beats living in a rat race back home, that's for sure. Put some mangoes. Papaya, a mango. Some lemon trees as well. I've got 3 charcoal burners to make charcoal. The further you go into the farm, the quieter it is. The music dies down in the background. You can just fall asleep in Charlie's wee small house. Can hear the birds singing as well. Charcoal, how you do it, I'll open it maybe tomorrow, take the charcoal out. There's 10 bags, maybe 10, 12 bags to come out tomorrow. That's it. Firewood ready to make charcoal here. Got our 2 at the back. This bit's bare and patchy because I've used all the clay to make the charcoal killings. So every time I open it, I've got to retake the clay and then pack the clay on the doors to close the doors again. Well, that's inside the 13 right, nice and quiet. And over the distance we've got a large fish pond over here. And I've planted more bananas. Okay, so you want to come and visit Thailand, living on a working farm, or just try camping, you're welcome to come and have a shot, see if you like it. Work with the local people and see if you like Thailand. Okay, I'll update you more when I've got something else to show you. Okay, bye for now. Bye bye.